So, hello again. To all that who are following my channel know that I love to explore the city of Istanbul. Not only Istanbul, but for sure also for Turkey itself. So I made quite a videos about while touring to Istanbul, strolling through the streets and showing you some of the experience I had here in Istanbul. Since then I have done all of them basically in in ATP, in 1080p actually. So now I'm going to change a little bit. So what's going to change? Well, strolling through Istanbul, I realized that I barely scratched the top of what there is all about Istanbul. So I was looking for some literature which I could read, and so look through the city and explore the city according to this literature and what is all to find there. And while doing that, I came across actually, let me have a look, well, this book here. This book, I hope you can see it. Opa. Yeah, I think now you can see it better, I think. This is Strolling Through Istanbul, A Guide to the City from Hilary Sumner-Boyd and John Freely. Well, probably some of you know this book, but I came across it while strolling through some shops actually. This is an old version of it. Well, the book itself came out in 1972, which is older than me a few years. And this is a second edition from 73. So I started to read through this book, which is quite extensive. It's a it's a big book. It's actually about 500 pages long. So chapter by chapter, it's quite interesting. Every chapter is a tour in itself actually, and it's about everything you can have a look here in Istanbul, basically, especially on the historic side. So everything is here in this book. For sure, I would love to share everything with you. So what I decided to do is that I am going to go through every chapter of this book, which are 23 chapters, so quite a project, I must say. And I'm going to show you everything which is in that chapter, but not in 1080p. So the big change is that I'm going to do it in 360 VR, which will be interesting because it is a different experience, so to say. Instead of showing you what the camera sees and then editing it all together, I'm going to show you everything in 360, so that if of everything what I'm strolling through and going through there, you will be able to see everything. Not only the camera view actually and what I want to show you there, but everything. Which will be an interesting experience, I think. So it will be a virtual tour, so to say. So we're going to start for sure with the history of Istanbul, which is the first chapter. And this first chapter starts from the Galata Bridge, which according to the book should be the starting point of every tour here in Istanbul. So we are going to do the same. So what I'm going to do while doing the tour, I'm going to read you from the book while I'm strolling to the streets and showing you everything what is described in the book there. So you have a virtual experience. Let's see how that works out. From the other hand side, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all these chapters. Which will be a long series of videos, I think. So 23 weeks. Wow. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. By the way, YouTube has an interesting thing which I need to explain to you about VR. First of all, when you open a 360 VR, you can pan around with your telephone, with your camera, around like this, and you will look around. You can also swipe actually around with your finger, and from the PC you can do the same with your mouse. And don't forget actually to arrange your resolution, because interestingly YouTube starts with the lowest resolutions, so you should be going into your upper 3 points and adjust your to the resolution to the highest the resolution you can have there for the best experience there. So, first one is the Bridge from the View, chapter 1. Which is going to be the history of Istanbul. So the view from the morning till the evening from the Galata Bridge. Hope you'll enjoy it and see you on the tour. Bye bye.